I like the VASER. So what is a VASER liposuction? Why is it any better than any traditional liposuction? I gotta explain to you what liposuction is briefly. So the way liposuction works is, it is removal of fat, sucking it out with a hollow metal tube with suction attached. That's the basics of it. The way we do that, we infiltrate the fat. We infuse what we call tumescent solution, which has epinephrine and lidocaine. So what that does, we make the fat really big and juicy, filled with water and fluid. That prevents blood loss and helps a little bit with pain. Traditionally, what you would then do is go in with a hollow metal tube and suck the fat out. That's traditional liposuction. You can use power, water, however you want to do it, but that's the basic step of it. What VASER is ultrasonic assisted, and what it does is it uses a probe and you put it into that wet fat solution, and it uses ultrasonic energy to basically explode all the fat cells before you suck them out. And so you run it across this field of fat and turns it into a liquid. It emulsifies the fat and just makes it a nice little liquid. And then when you go to suck out the fat with the hollow metal tube like you normally would, it sucks it out in a more complete layer. And so because the liquid just kind of comes out and falls out in a layer as opposed to making a little tunnel with the liposuction cannula. The net effect of this is that you get a smoother result. You can also create more shapes, do high definition lipo, a little bit easier with the VASER. There's some data that suggests that it also tightens the skin at the same time, and you do get less bleeding, and you also have a little bit less pain, is what our data says. VASER is a great option, especially for people who have had liposuction already. That's where it really shines, because that ultrasound energy can be used to break up previous fibrosis from liposuction. Now, it doesn't do it great, but it is a lot easier and a lot better to do on someone who has getting revision lipo than just traditional power-assisted liposuction. So VASER is a great device. We frequently combine it with a skin tightening device such as BodyTite or Renuvion to give you the best possible results. But VASER is really good at helping break apart fat during liposuction to give you a smoother result and to make more contours.